Yun. Go ahead, Ed.
Connect mo to. Sa akin ay, kasi naalala ko na naman yung lesson ng theory ng pruning. Dito ka. Kasi ang pruning, sabi sa Google, ang ginagawa doon, eliminates unwanted parts by removing
Uy. May water.
yan. Itatanggal yan. Kumari, sa tinatang natin. Sarap din yung may tundo ka. Ang pruning, kumari sa ating buhay, magpapron tayo ni Jesus, ni God. Hindi tanggal yung mga unwanted parts. Yung mga unwanted parts na yan yung mga small things in our life na parang, I guess, medyo tayo na addicts, tulad ng ML, mga gadgets, social media. By eliminating that, we can grow. By eliminating the small parts, the worldly desires, the worldly pleasure, it promotes growth. It promotes growth. Ito yung growth natin. So, for us to grow, for us to bear fruit, we need to eliminate the small parts in our life, the unwanted desires, the unwanted parts, the small things that we consider big, and focus on the things that will lead us closer to the Lord, the things that will fertilize us for us to grow and to bear more fruit.
Amen. Kasi pag hindi natin tinanggal yung mga unwanted parts, kapag hindi natin tinanggal yon ay kumukuha pa siya ng nutrients doon sa vine na sana napupunta doon sa may bunga.
I want to add also.
Sige po, ma'am.